The blend image shader is one way that we can blend images within Vizrt, and it's found within the built-ins tab, the shader tab, and the filter folder. And the way that it works is that we can use it right on an image. So if we come into an image here and we drag an image into our scene tree, let's just scale this up full screen so that we can see this a little bit better. We're going to go back into the built-ins, into the shader tab in the filter folder, and take our blend image and drag it right up onto our image within our scene tree. We're going to click on the blend image to go over into the blend image properties. Here it's waiting for an image. That means we need to go back into the server and look for another image that we want to blend with this. So let's go into our reflections. We'll use a blue image here, and we'll just drag and drop that onto this blank box here. Now you can see within the scene editor window how these two images are blending. And if you're familiar with Photoshop and the light layers within here, this is much the same. So beneath the image we have a mode, and it's set to blend by default. We also have a darken, a lighten, multiply, screen, color burn, color dodge, overlay, soft light, hard light, add, subtract, inverse subtract, difference, inverse difference, and exclusion. Now any one of these that you choose, you have your options down here. So if we put it on lighten, we can come down to our blend mode here and either decrease the blend or increase the blend between these two images. There's also a position, so you can shift the position X, which moves it left and right. You can also shift the position up and down on the Y, and then there's an X factor here as well for the X scale and the Y scale as well. Like most texture settings within Vizrt, you have your wrap, which you can set to repeat and or clamp. So you can clamp these images to the edge, and you have a clamp, so you can clamp this image to the edge of your geometry. So obviously at any time if you want a different look, you just come down into your server and you drag a new image in there and come up and adjust your blend and or light layers, and it will give you a new look. So this blend image is just one way to combine images within Vizrt.